Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us this morning for the December Reward Assembly, and thank you for working with our setup for today. This setting helps us keep a little warmer than all being over in the shade, and it also gives us just a beautiful view. So we're going to begin this morning with our flag salute. Please stand.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. All right, so this morning we are going to get started with our SOAR recipients. We had quite a few to choose from. And also thank you to everyone who this week showed a lot of kindness by donating to the toy drive. Even though it was a quick turnaround, within 4 days we collected enough toys to fill up an entire car that was taken to the district office, and many families will have a really nice holiday thanks to your donation, so it is much appreciated. And also thank you to our student council representatives for helping with that. Again, we found out about it pretty quickly, but everyone jumped right in and made it work, so thank you very much. All right, so remember at Valley View, when we soar, we show, offer, act, respect. Awesome, thank you so much. For the prize box, please join me at the start of recess. Luke C. from 5th grade, Olivia A. from 4th grade, Rudolph and Daniel S. from 5th grade. And recipients of a Baked Bear gift card, we have Jacob E. from Mr. Chewy and Robin from Mrs. Boggs. Come on up. All right, nice job. We're going to move on to our personal success recipients for the month of December. And when I call your name, please come up and stay up front with your certificate. From Ms. Lau's class, Mariam Muslim for improved studies. From Mrs. Chewy's class, Titus Park for making incredible progress in all academic areas. Well done. From Mr. Chewy's class, Madison Herman for effort and improvement in all areas. From Mrs. Boggs' class, Shannon Daly for improvement and participation. From Mr. Gifford's class, Sean Pedrosian for excellent vocabulary test skills. And I know how hard those vocabulary tests can be, so well done, Sean. From Mrs. Lee's class, Stefan Dirtavidian for diligently working towards academic goals. Let's give all of our personal success recipients a big round of applause. Thank you. Please be seated. All right, before we move on to our Students of the Month, I also wanted to acknowledge a student who has won at the district level for the Glendale PTA Reflections Contest, and their work is now going on to the first district level for that competition. So we wish Arin Zakarian congratulations and good luck as you move on to the next level of competition. We can't wait to hear what happens. All right, for December, the character education theme is compassion. And it's one of my favorite because it really shows what we are doing to not just foster ourselves and being careful about taking care of ourselves, but also about others. So we're showing kindness, we're being responsible and respectful, and showing self-control, everything that we do when we soar at Valley View. These students show compassion and a lot of other important skills in their classroom every day. From Mrs. Chewy's class, we have Bella Serpa. From Ms. Lau's class, Liam Castillo. From Mr. Chewy's class, Ezra Emerson. From Mrs. Boggs' class, Alexa Monticelli. From Mr. Gifford's class, Rachel Kim. And from Mrs. Lee's class, Aurora Zajac. Let's give all of our December Students of the Month a round of applause. Congratulations, and please be sure to come up at the end of the ceremony so we can take your picture. Please be seated. Thank you. All right, thank you. Before we sing the Valley View song, I wanted to wish all of you a wonderful winter break. Happy holidays. And you're going to be off for 3 weeks. So we're not going to see you again until December 10th of 2022. That's a long time. Did I say? Thank you. January 10th, 2022. I'm going way far ahead. So I wish all of you a great break. Enjoy the time with your family and friends. Enjoy some good books to read. Maybe practice some math facts and do a little writing, all those good things, so that when we see you back in January, you're ready to go. So have a wonderful break and Happy New Year.
Thank you.
And today, I know we're all pretty cozy, most of us in our pajamas. We've got a lot of fun things to look forward to. So make sure that you're doing the right thing as you're enjoying all of the activities today. And let's sing the Valley View song.
Teacher.
to commend all of you for that self-control. We kind of started off in different places, and by the second verse, we were all together. That was awesome. All right, students of the month, please come up. Everyone else, give your attention to your teachers.
My teacher.